What's the meaning of bobsled? Bobsled. Bobsled.
Bobsled. Bobsled. Bobsled, also known as bobsleigh, is a winter sport that involves sliding down an icy track in a sled. The sled can accommodate 2 or 4 athletes, who work together to navigate the twists and turns of the course at high speeds. The sport requires strength, coordination, and skill, as well as precise timing and communication among team members. Bobsled has been a featured event in the Winter Olympics since 1924, and has gained popularity around the world as both a recreational activity and a competitive sport. It is an exciting and thrilling sport that showcases the athleticism and agility of its participants.